Next, third question. What he says is, Rahman is there. He is making a wheel. One wheel is there. To wheel, he is putting spokes. These are called things like rods. These are called spokes. Now, in this case, there are 4 spokes. For some tires, the number of spokes will be different. Say, one wheel is having 4 spokes. Other wheel is having 6 spokes. Other wheel is having 8 spokes, like that. So, his condition is the angle should be same. Say, in this case, this is 90 degrees now. So, all the angles should be 90 degrees. In this case, there are 6 spokes and the angle is given as 60 degrees. So, what he meant to say is, all the angles will be of 60 degrees. Similarly, this is having some angle and he says all the angles will be equal. In that case, if the number of spokes are 8, then what will be the angle between them? If it is 10, what is the angle? If 12, what is the angle? That is the question. Now, see, what is the total angle? That will be constant. If we go by our inverse proportion method, then how do we do? That we will see. Before that, the angle is 360 degrees. If there are 4, then we can say directly 360 by 4, that will be 90 degrees. Now here 6 are there. 360 by 6, 60 degrees. Directly we can say in this particular case. But we will be solving this problem by using inverse proportion method. Then how to do? See, this is for 90 degrees. Now it is 6 and it is becoming 60 degrees. So when one quantity is increasing, what is happening to other quantity? When number of spokes are increasing, then the angle between them is increasing or decreasing. When it is increasing, number of spokes are increasing, then the angle is decreasing. So that means they are inversely proportional. They are inversely proportional. So what is the concept behind inverse proportion? The product is constant. The product is constant. Now first see 4 into 9. The first one, 4 into first case 90 equal to 4 9s are 36. So this is 360 degrees. Next one, 6 into 60. 6 6 are 36, 0, 360 degrees. So here, say for example, this is A1, angle 2, angle 3, A4, A5. Say for example, this is number of spokes, say N1, N2, N3, N4, N5. So here the concept is N into A equal to constant. Number of spokes into angle equal to constant. That we got it as 360 degrees. So let us see N1 into A1, N1 into A1, 4 into 90, 360 degrees we got it. N2 into A2, 6 into 60 degrees, that is 360 degrees. Now coming to the question, what about this? N3 into A3 equal to 360 degrees. So what is N3? 8 into angle 3 equal to 360 degrees. That implies A3, angle 3, this one is equal to 360 divided by 8. So we are transposing this 8 to other side. 360 by 8. 8 4s are 32, 4 40, 8 5s are 40. So the angle will be 45 degrees. Next 10. N4 into A4. That is 10 into A4 equal to 360 degrees. That implies A4 equal to 360 degrees by 10. That is 36 degrees. So we got this as 36 degrees. Next, N5 into A5, that is 12. Now it is 12 into A5 equal to 360 degrees. That implies A5 equal to 360 divided by 12. So that will be 30 degrees. So now it is 30 degrees. So what we are doing? We are making use of a formula called product of two quantities is always constant, and we are getting these values. This is the first part of the question. It is having some more questions. Let us see what are those questions. Now these are three more questions. It's a part of third question only. These questions are also given. What he says is, are the number of spokes on the angle formed between the pair of consecutive spokes are in inverse proportion. Are they in inverse proportion? Yes, they are in inverse proportion. Yes, they are in inverse proportion. We have already seen this. They are in inverse proportion. Next, calculate the angle between the pair of consecutive spokes with 15 spokes. Up to here, it is given 12 spokes. If the spokes are 15, then find the angle. That is the question. We have seen now, what is that? N into A equal to constant, we got it as 360 degrees. Now, he says N equal to 15. Now, 15 into some angle equal to 360 degrees. So, what will be the angle? Angle equal to 360 degrees divided by 15. So 5 3s are 5 7s are 35. 1 2 72 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 4 12 14. 3 2s are 6. 1 12 is remaining. 3 4s are 12. So we got it as 24 degrees. So the angle is 24 degrees. Then next, how many spokes if angle is 40 degrees? Now the angle is given and he is asking number of spokes. So here, this is second one and third one. In this, number of spokes are given 15. How many spokes? The angle is 40 degrees. Angle is given. So N into angle is given as 40 degrees. That is equal to 360 degrees. So N equal to 360 divided by 40. 0 0 cancel. 4 9s are 36. So the number of spokes will be 9. 9 spokes. So as usual, here the whole concept is they are in inverse proportion and the product is always constant.